Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Hey, Paul. Over here.
Hi, Zung. How's it going? Getting over the jet lag?
Yes, I slept pretty well last night. Hey, thanks so much for showing me around today.
No worries. It'll be good fun.
So, are you from around here?
Me? Yes, I was born and grew up here. Sydney's my hometown.
It's fabulous. Is it an ancient city?
No, it's not very old, but it's Australia's biggest city, and the history of our country began here.
Wow! So what are the greatest attractions in Sydney?
Well, its natural features include Sydney Harbour, the Royal National Park, and Bondi Beach. Man-made attractions such as the Royal Botanic Gardens, Sydney Opera House, and the Harbour Bridge are also well known to visitors.
What about transport?
Public transport here is convenient and reliable. You can go by bus, by train, or light rail. Taxis are more expensive, of course.
And is Sydney good for shopping?
Of course. You know, Sydney's a metropolitan and multicultural city, so we have a great variety of things and foods from different countries. I'll take you to Paddington Market later if you like.
Wonderful. What about education? Are there many universities?
Sydney has 5 big universities and some smaller ones. The oldest of them was set up in 1850, I believe.
Oh, it sounds like a good place to get higher education. I like this town.